Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Actually, nitrogen cycle is the movement of nitrogen between the earth and the atmosphere. Earth to atmosphere, and then from atmosphere it again move towards earth. This is the nitrogen cycle, which is the movement of nitrogen between the earth and the atmosphere. It consists of series of processes that convert nitrogen gas to organic substances, and these organic substances are turned back into nitrogen in nature. Actually, there are 4 steps in nitrogen cycle. There are 4 steps. There are 4 steps in nitrogen cycle. First step is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, as we know that nitrogen is composed of 2 nitrogen which are linked with 3 covalent bonds, which means nitrogen is very unreactive, so large amount of energy is required to break the bond. So nitrogen can be fixed in 3 ways. That is, first one is atmospheric fixation, which is fixation in atmosphere. Second one is industrial fixation, and third one is biological fixation. We discuss only biological fixation. Biological fixation. As we know that it required a large amount of energy to break triple bond of nitrogen, so the reduction of nitrogen gas to ammonia required 16 molecules of ATP and a complex set of enzymes to break this bond. If N2 plus 3H2, we get ammonia, but to get ammonia we need, or bacteria need, 16 molecules of ATP plus complete or complex set of enzyme. These two things are required for bacteria to fix nitrogen. The type of organism or bacteria which carry nitrogen fixation are azotobacter, which is aerobic, rhizobium, which forms association with leguminous plants, and Clostridium. Next step in nitrogen cycle is nitrification. The ammonia which is formed by the process of fixation is then oxidized to different compound, that is NO2 and NO3. The bacteria of genus Nitrosomonas convert these ammonium ions into nitrite ions, and then these nitrite ions is converted into nitrates. This nitrate is converted into nitrates by another bacteria of genus Nitrobacter. Nitrobacter. We can write this equation as ammonia ion is first converted into nitrite ions and then it is converted into nitrate ions. This process is carried out by nitrosomonas and then this process is carried out by Nitrobacter. This process is called nitrification. Third step in this process is denitrification. Third step is denitrification. Denitrification. This is a conversion of nitrates into primarily nitrogen gas and also nitrous oxide gas. In this process, NO3 ions, or we can say that nitrate ion, is converted into nitrogen gas as well as nitrous oxide, and this process is carried out by another bacteria which is called Pseudomonas. The bacteria get the energy they need for respiration from the breakdown of nitrates. The gases that are formed escape into the atmosphere, completing the nitrogen cycle. This can be a harmful process as fixed nitrogen is removed from the soil, making it less fertile. The last step is ammonification. It is a conversion of organic form of nitrogen into inorganic nitrogen. We can say that organic form of nitrogen which is present in dead organic material, dead organism, is converted into inorganic form. Nitrogen which is present in dead organic compounds is converted into inorganic nitrogen. This process is carried out by decomposers. Such as bacteria and fungus. So in this way, nitrogen which is present in atmosphere is come down toward the Earth's surface and from Earth's surface is again moved toward the atmosphere. This is called the nitrogen cycle.